Hi, this is Vicky from patternprincess.com. Today I want to show you a very quick and easy method to join a cowl without having any twists in the chain, no matter if you have 10 chains or if you have 100 chains. It doesn't matter. It's a really easy way. So what I've just have one loop on here. I'm going to chain a few on my hook, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what I do is I'm going to make this loop a little bit bigger, but you're going to take this out. You're going to stick your hook here. Put this loop back on, then never mind about this loop here in the back. So just continue on. I'm going to do, I don't know, maybe another 15. 1, 2, 3, whoopsies, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, because I joined this here, all I have to do, if I had this 100 stitches long, it really wouldn't matter. All that you have to do now is you pull this through, and you for sure do not have any twists in your chain. So now I can continue on with however many. If I have to do chain 2, and then I started my, maybe I'm going to do a double crochet, whatever I'm going to do here through the rest of it, it's not going to matter because it's not going to be twisted. So that is your easy way, simple way to join a cowl and not have any twists in your beginning foundational chain. Thanks for